Can you get clients from LinkedIn? Can people just find your profile and decide to hire you as a consultant? Well, I would have told you a little while ago, of course it's possible, but it doesn't happen that often. The most common way you get clients is someone that knows you hires you. Now, ideally they've worked with you before. There's less risk in hiring someone you've worked with before. Or they might just know you and they know that you're a trustworthy, reliable professional that takes pride in their work and does a good job. The second most common way is a referral. That's a friend referring a friend, or a trusted source referring a trusted source. For example, when I wanted a dentist, I didn't look in LinkedIn, I didn't look online. I asked my sister, I asked my mother, I asked my neighbor. They liked their dentists and I picked the most convenient one for me. But can you get clients who just go searching for you and find you on LinkedIn? Again, I would have told you it was possible a while ago, but unlikely. LinkedIn is primarily for building credibility, for showing that you're a legitimate professional, that you take pride in your work, that you do a good job, and so forth. A couple things changed my mind a little bit. I've encountered two consultants who got extremely lucrative, really cool projects. Now, one I just worked with very recently. These were both six-figure deals, right? They were big deals. There was a lot of work involved. And in order to get them, basically, you need to have very specialized skills, right? Just something that you're exactly the right person to do it. If you're like, you do something, you might be phenomenal, but there's like 100 other people that can do it, 1,000 other people. Well, quite likely, it's highly unlikely someone's going to go looking on LinkedIn to find you being the exact right fit. Why? Because they might already know somebody, or they'll ask for referrals and so forth. But if you've got very specific skill sets, right, you're just the right person, you're not generic, you're like a rock star in what you do, and it's so specialized that you're not the best at what you do. You're like one of the only ones that do what you do. Yeah, you absolutely can get big clients, big pieces of work, really cool work from LinkedIn. This is Ted Demopoulos. Thanks for watching. Click on the link in the notes to see other ways to get clients, more common ways than someone stumbling across your LinkedIn profile or searching for a very specialized skill. Thanks, and have a great day.